In this session, we will discuss keywords. What do you mean by keyword? Whatever the language we are using, keyword means simply the words which have fixed meaning. The words which have fixed meaning, that means which cannot be changed. And the keywords are defined by the language developers. That is, who develop the C language. For example, consider the C keywords. The person who developed the C language, they are defined the keywords. Those are called reserved words. The keywords are called reserved words. Also considered reserved words. That means the words that have some fixed meaning. These are used only for this purpose. And the keywords are cannot be used as variable name. Simply, it cannot be an identifier. That means, generally identifier means user-defined names. Keywords means built-in words. Keyword means the built-in words. That means the keywords cannot be used as a variable name, cannot be used as an array name, not only cannot be used as an identifier. These are the keywords are specially used by who uses the keyword? Those are used by the compiler for their own purpose. For their own purpose. And keywords acts as a building blocks. For any language, the keywords acts as a building blocks. General scenario, all the keywords are represented in lowercase. Remember, all the keywords are represented in lowercase. Suppose coming to C language, we have 32 keywords. What are the keywords? Generally, it is not easy to remember. By going through the entire C programming, we simply remember all the keywords. For your convenience, I will explain the keywords. For example, if you comes under storage classes, or starting from the first one, if you comes under data type, int, float, char, long, short. These are keywords. These are keywords. And along with while, do, for, if, else. These and along with go to, switch, break. These are the keywords. Suppose this belongs to data types. All these are belongs to control statements. Along with this, suppose in switch case, we are using case also. And break, if you are using break, we have continue also. Now coming to storage classes, auto, extern, static, register. So these are also considered as the keywords. Any another? For example, if you want to declare an identifier as a constant, you are using the keyword constant. Suppose in switch case is the one keyword, and we have default also. We have default also. And to create a new data types, we have typedef and enum. Typedef and enum. Now in the functions, so suppose if the function wants to return something, the function wants to return something, return is the keyword. And coming to data types, we have two types. One is the signed automatically, another one is unsigned. Coming to operators, we have size of is an operator. Size of is an operator. Now struct, union, return type. Along all these return types, void is also present. Along with the constant, we have one more keyword, that is volatile. So into float, char, long, short, suppose we missed something, that is double. So these are the keywords. Observe, it is very easy to remember all the keywords. How you have to remember? Simply these comes under data types. Suppose these are the, up to now, these are the comes under control statements. These are storage classes. Okay, and some remaining, these comes under structure and user defined data types, like that. In C language, we have a total of 32 keywords. The keywords have fixed meanings which cannot be changed throughout the program. We cannot change the meaning of the keywords. Thank you.